Across the planet, from the humid jungles of South America to the deserts of Australia, there exists a small, silent army of predators. They are ancient, efficient, and often misunderstood. They are spiders, and among the 50,000 known species, a few possess venom so lethal it can kill a human being in minutes. This is the world of the planet's most venomous spiders. The funnel web spider, Australia's eight-legged assassin. Few creatures inspire such fear as the Sydney funnel web Atrax robustus. This glossy, black arachnid is armed, with fangs larger than a lion's claws proportionally speaking, and a venom designed to overwhelm the human nervous system. The venom contains a neurotoxin known as delta-atrichotoxin. When injected, it disrupts electrical signals in the nerves, causing muscles to contract uncontrollably. Within 10 to 15 minutes, symptoms begin severe pain at the bite site, excessive salivation, and muscle spasms. Within 30 minutes, blood pressure plummets. The victim's lungs may begin to fill with fluid, leading to respiratory failure. Before the development of anti-venom in 1981, a bite from a male Sydney funnel web could kill an adult human in as little as 15 to 30 minutes. Children succumbed even faster. Today, prompt medical treatment and anti-venom have reduced fatalities to zero. But the danger remains. Their aggression and lightning-fast strikes make them one of the most dangerous spiders on Earth. The Brazilian wandering spider, the hunter of the Amazon. In the dense rainforests of South America, another killer lurks, the Brazilian wandering spider Phonutria fera, often called the banana spider. Unlike web dwellers, this spider roams the forest floor in search of prey, making it far more likely to encounter humans. Its venom is a complex cocktail of toxins that attack the nervous system. When injected, it causes immediate, excruciating pain. Within minutes, the neurotoxin can trigger loss of muscle control, difficulty breathing, and paralysis. Victims describe sensations of burning and pressure radiating through the limbs, followed by uncontrollable sweating and tremors. If untreated, death can occur in less than an hour due to respiratory arrest. The venom also contains a unique component known to cause priapism, a prolonged and painful erection, which has gained scientific interest for potential medical use. But make no mistake, in the wild, this spider's bite is no curiosity, it is a medical emergency. The black widow, a symbol of lethal elegance. Recognizable by the red hourglass on its abdomen, the Latrodectus genus, commonly known as black widows, are found worldwide. Their venom, latrotoxin, is up to 15 times more potent than that of a rattlesnake, though the spider delivers only a small dose. After the bite, a victim may feel little more than a pinprick, but within 30 to 60 minutes, pain spreads from the wound through the abdomen and chest. The toxin forces nerve endings to release massive amounts of neurotransmitters, flooding the system. Severe muscle cramps follow, along with nausea, sweating, and difficulty breathing. Deaths are rare today thanks to anti-venom and supportive care, but untreated bites have historically killed small children or frail adults within hours. Even non-fatal bites can leave victims in agony for days, as the nervous system slowly returns to normal. The black widow's venom is not designed to kill humans. Its true purpose is to subdue prey instantly, usually insects or small lizards, yet when injected into a human, the same precision chemistry becomes a weapon of terrifying efficiency. The brown recluse, the flesh eater. In the quiet corners of homes across the American Midwest, hides a spider with a bite that can destroy flesh itself. The brown recluse Loxosceles reclusa is a shy, nocturnal hunter. But when trapped against the skin, it defends itself with a bite that delivers sphingomyelinase, an enzyme that causes the destruction of cell membranes. At first, the bite may seem mild, a small, itchy bump. But within 6 to 12 hours, tissue begins to die. The area turns dark purple, then black, as necrosis spreads outward. In severe cases, a lesion the size of a human hand can develop, exposing muscle and even bone. Systemic symptoms include fever, nausea, and in rare cases, hemolysis, the breakdown of red blood cells, which can be fatal. Death is uncommon, but the damage can be permanent. Victims sometimes require reconstructive surgery. Unlike most spiders, the recluse's venom acts slowly, but devastatingly, turning living flesh into lifeless tissue over days. The redback spider, Australia's urban predator. Cousin to the black widow, the Australian redback Latrodectus hasselti thrives in human environments. sheds, mailboxes, even under toilet seats. Its venom acts similarly to that of the widow, attacking the nervous system. Bites cause immediate pain, sweating, and muscle rigidity. Nausea and vomiting follow, and without treatment, symptoms can last for days. Before antivenom was introduced in 1956, deaths were frequent, especially in children. A severe envenomation can kill within hours if untreated, due to respiratory failure and shock. Today, redbacks are among the most common venomous encounters in Australia, and though fatalities have ceased, their medical importance remains high. The six-eyed sand spider, the desert phantom. Hidden beneath the sands of southern Africa lies one of the most mysterious and deadly arachnids, the six-eyed sand spider Sicarius hani. This spider rarely bites, and no confirmed human deaths exist, but laboratory studies of its venom reveal extraordinary toxicity. The venom is both cytotoxic and hemolytic, meaning it destroys tissue and red blood cells simultaneously. Tests on animals show that a single bite could kill a rabbit in minutes, and if delivered to a human, experts estimate death could occur within hours. The venom acts much like that of the brown recluse, but far more potent, capable of causing catastrophic organ failure. Its true danger lies not in aggression, but in camouflage. It buries itself beneath sand, waiting for unsuspecting prey and potentially an unwary hand or foot. The mouse spider, a case of mistaken identity. In Australia, another formidable species, the mouse spider. Miscelina bradley resembles the deadly funnel web, but is less aggressive. Its venom contains toxins nearly identical to the funnel web's delta-atrichotoxin, which can cause rapid onset of symptoms, numbness, muscle spasms, and breathing difficulty. Bites are rare, and most documented cases have been mild, but laboratory studies suggest the potential for fatal envenomation exists. Anti-venom for the funnel web is effective against mouse spider venom, providing an essential safeguard against what could otherwise be a deadly mistake. The yellow sac spider, a common threat. Small and pale, the yellow sac spider, Cheracanthium inclusum, is often overlooked. Found across North America, Europe, and parts of Africa, it's one of the few spiders that regularly bites humans. The venom causes burning pain within minutes, followed by blistering and tissue breakdown at the site. While rarely fatal, the toxin can produce lesions that take weeks to heal. Unlike the necrosis of the recluse, the damage is shallow, but infections are common. Its widespread range and tendency to bite make it one of the most frequent culprits in spider-related medical cases. The Mediterranean black widow, Europe's silent danger. In southern Europe and parts of North Africa, the Mediterranean black widow, Latrodectus tridecim guttatus, shares its infamous lineage with the American species. The venom is equally neurotoxic, capable of producing a condition known as latrodectism. Pain radiates from the bite site within minutes, spreading to the chest and abdomen. Victims may experience muscle paralysis, sweating, and elevated heart rate. Severe cases, if untreated, can result in death within 12 to 24 hours, though modern care makes this extremely rare. Historically, rural populations in the Mediterranean feared this spider so much that bites were blamed for mysterious illnesses and even madness, giving rise to the legend of the tarantula dance, or tarantella, once thought, to cure victims through vigorous movement. Conclusion. Masters of venom. Venom is not a weapon of malice, but of survival. Each spider has evolved its chemistry over millions of years to immobilize prey, not humans. Yet when human skin crosses paths with these creatures, evolution's precision tool becomes lethal. From neurotoxins that shut down the lungs to cytotoxins that melt flesh, the world's deadliest spiders showcase the diversity and efficiency of nature's biochemistry. Most will never harm a person they are reclusive, preferring darkness and isolation, but respect is warranted. In the quiet corners of the world, beneath bark, rock, or sand, they wait unseen, unmatched, and armed with one of evolution's most powerful gifts. This is the hidden world of venom, where the smallest predators wield death in a single drop.